Eurozone inflation surged last month and could still go higher in the early part of 2024. The rate across the bloc jumped to 2.9%, up from November's 2.4%, but slightly below analyst forecasts. The data eases pressure on the European Central Bank to start cutting interest rates from record highs. It also appears to confirm the ECB's prediction that inflation will flatline in the 2.5 to 3% range through 2024 before slowing next year. There was one hopeful sign though. Underlying inflation, which excludes food and energy rises, eased down slightly to 3.4%, suggesting overall prices are still cooling. But policymakers might be concerned services inflation jumped 0.7% on the month. It's closely tied to wages and could point to a quick rise in incomes, potentially fueling price pressures. Investors and policymakers appear to have different outlooks on rates. Investors have bet the ECB will cut rates 6 times this year, with the first move coming in March or April. Policymakers argue we could be midway through the year before inflation is indeed under control. The ECB meets next on January 25th with a clear signal that no policy action is coming.